guys, thanks for watching Cooking with Hua. Today we'll be making Keto Sesame Peanut Chili Noodles. You will need some Chinese vinegar, soy sauce, and if you have dark soy sauce, that'll probably work better. Some sesame paste, and this sesame paste has 0 net carbs. And also some chili flakes. I like it spicy, so I'm going to add it in. You also need some salt and some chicken broth. Add together in a microwavable bowl, mix, and put it in the microwave for 30-second intervals. Now it might take you 1 minute to make sure everything emulsifies, and then set it to the side. We're going to start cooking our ground pork, and you're going to add in some pure sesame oil. And as you're cooking the pork, you also want to break it up in the pan. Add in your aromatics, ginger, garlic, red pepper, and green onions. And I'm only using the white part of the green onions. And the green part we're going to use to garnish later. Break up the pork as you are mixing it in the pan. Obviously, if you don't like ground pork, you can use any type of protein. And then you also want to use salt and black pepper to taste. Mix everything in and make sure the pork is cooked all the way through. Add in a tablespoon of the sauce that you made earlier. Now, if you can't find sesame paste, you can use an all-natural peanut butter. Go over to my blog at www.cookingwithhua.com and I give you instructions on how I prepare their shirataki noodles. Now, I wasn't a fan until I recently figured out how to prepare them, and now I use it all the time. Now all you have to do is assemble. You can add in the noodles on top of the sauce on the bottom. If you're craving Thai peanut noodles, this will hit the spot. Then you want to add in the ground pork that we cooked earlier with all of the aromatics and the sauce. And all you have left to do is to garnish the bowl with the green onions, cilantro, and also some crushed peanuts. And you can also add in a chili pepper. Then you'll want to toss everything together. You know what, I actually found that it was a lot easier after I assembled the whole bowl together for presentation for my picture, that it was just easier to toss the noodles into the pan of cooked meat with all the rest of the remaining sauce. And then what made it so much easier to toss all together, and then you can add it into a serving bowl and then garnish with the peanuts, the cilantro, the onions, and the red pepper. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. It really did hit the spot for craving the Thai peanut noodles. This is my take on it. I am starting keto, so I will be creating more Asian and non-Asian keto recipes. Thanks so much for watching Cooking with Hua.